Hi besties, welcome back to Fun Fashion YouTube channel. Today I'm showing you how to sew this beautiful bralette top I paired with my handkerchief skirt. This bralette top is simple and very easy to make. You can make it within minutes even if you're a beginner. I'll guide you through the cutting process, sewing steps and getting a neat finish so that you can recreate your own easily. Before we start, please do well to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you're coming across my video for the first time, and drop me nice comments. Now let's get started. So this is the fabric that I'm using. I'll start by folding the fabric into two and then fold again. Now I have 1 2 3 4 here. So what I am going to do is to fold in bias form like this. Okay, so from here I am going to mark 10.5 inches and I'll cut it out. You can notice that here is on fold, so I'll go ahead and open up that side that is on fold. This is what I have 4 pieces here. I'm marking down 1.5 inches to cut out strip that I will use to create strap to tie at the back of the neck. The length depends on how long you want the strap to be. After cutting, I'll go over to my sewing machine, fold the strips into two and stitch on and turn to create the straps. Now this is what I have as the straps. So I'll come to this part that is pointy and fix it inside. So I want to open it up and fix this inside. And mark ½ inch from here to the other side of the angle. Now I'll go over to my sewing machine and stitch. After stitching on each flay, I will go ahead and turn it over to the right side and give it a very good press. Okay, after pressing, I will go ahead and pleat each one to 7.5 inches. If you are bigger, you can pleat to 8 inches. You can do tiny pleats or you can gather if you want to have gathered pleats. So this is what it looks like after pleating. Each one is about 7.5 inches. You can pleat up to 8 inches if you are bigger. Okay. Next is to cut out the band that we will fix around the underbust to the waist area. The size of this band depends on how bold you want the band to be. So this is 6 inches. Okay, on fold, this part is on fold. I had to join it to make it longer. Okay, and I had to make this side smaller than the middle part. Okay, it is up to you. If you want to make everywhere bold, you can make everywhere bold. Okay, so I have 6 inches here on fold, so that means that if you open it up, I'll have 12 inches. Okay, so this is the middle point. I went ahead to measure that 7.5 that I have on each one from the middle point of the strip. Okay, I measured 7.5 on each side starting from the middle point, and then I stitched from that 7.5 to the other side to close it up. Okay, that is what I did on the both sides. I had to join my fabric because the fabric I have is just fabric left over. Okay, so you turn to the right side after stitching. I had to give it a very good press. While pressing that place that is open, you have to fold in 1/2 inch on both sides. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead now and pin this one on that middle point. I want to cross the middle point by 1/2 inch. You can start from the middle point if you want to start from middle point, but I want to cross the middle point by 1/2 inch. If you do not want the bralette top covered like mine, then you don't need to cross yours over by 1/2 inch. You can just start pinning from the middle point of the band. Okay, but if you want your cleavage to show, you can give a space at that middle point by half inch apart. That means you have 1 inch gap at the middle point of the band. So wherever you start pinning from depends on how exposed you want your cleavage to be. Okay, now I'm going to go over to my sewing machine and run a straight stitch to hold it down. Okay, stitching, this is what the bralette top looks like. You can see how neat and beautiful it is. For the styling, so you tie this one around your neck, at the back of your neck, and this one at your back. Okay, and this is the final look, guys. You can pair this bralette top with jeans, trouser or skirt. I made mine and paired it with a handkerchief flared skirt. If you would like to know how I made this handkerchief flared skirt, you can scroll down my videos tab to see the cutting and sewing tutorial of this handkerchief flared skirt. It is quite simple to make and beginner friendly. Or you can just tell me in the comment section to send you the skirt tutorial, and I'll do that as soon as possible. If you learned something from this tutorial, please don't forget to like this video. Share this video to your sewing friends who might be interested in learning how to make this two-piece. Don't forget to hit on the subscribe button if you have not subscribed. Turn on your notification bell so that anytime I upload any video, you'll be the first to know. Thanks for watching.